Hey, what's up, YouTube? I got some stuff in from American Key Supply. All right, my access tools and some other stuff. So I'm really surprised by the way how fast these tools actually got here. I actually ordered them yesterday, and they came in today. They have really nice quality tools. This is an access tool. Oh, excuse me, bear with me here. It's pretty long. Oh, it's nice. So this is an access tool I got. Okay, from American Key Supply. Really nice. Actually has a plastic on it. And it's longer. Okay, you can use this to open up your cars. So this was like 40 bucks. So moving on. Make sure there's nothing else in there. So one of the reasons why I like American Key Supply, okay, they always tend to send me some snacks in here. I don't know if it's good or bad, but American Key Supply. 1 million years later. So let's see what American Key Supply sent us. Paper, nice. More paper, nice. Yes. Thank you. Anyways, so we got some Houdini right here. This is one of the best lock lubricators there is. You guys, this is better than WD-40, than any other thing you can put. Only real locksmith use this. If you use WD-40, I feel sorry for you. Sorry. You can use also a graphite powder. That's really good too. But this is #1 lubricator. So anyways, let's see what else we got. This is some doorknobs I ordered. A knob set and a deadbolt. I got these for like 15 bucks. So this I would use like if I need to change one of the customer's doors. Always nice to have some of those. Some MFK multifunctional blades. Oh, nice. So these are some shims for the doors. They just help you open it up. These are by Monkey Lock. I love Monkey Lock. Nice. So these you can go ahead and stick in the door. They look okay. Expected them to be a little bit more thicker, but I guess we can work with that. What else we got here? Nice plug follower, Monkey Lock. I love Monkey Lock. They have really good stuff. This one's a standard size 4.98 kW1 SC1. Some more MFK blades. Okay, these are for Ford. I use these. I make my own keys. I have a video on my page. Go ahead and check that out. Some batteries. Nice. These Westlock keys. WK2. These are like for trailer keys. My customers been asking me for these. So what else we got? More batteries. An A1 plug spinner. I love these so much. I had to order another one. These are nice. You guys should have these. I also have a video of this. Check it out. Tools every locksmith should have. A1 plug spinner. Really nice. What else we got? What is this? Oh, nice. Yes. So this is a hide key. These are really nice to have. I ordered 6 of these. You can hide you can put this in your car. Hide some keys. These are really nice to have. And oh, nice. Yes. Wow. So it's like this is a tulip tension bar. So it's 129. I believe this is Monkey Lock. And some more SE1s. I ran out of SE1s. So that's about it, you guys. This is just some stuff that I ordered off American Key Supply. Really nice company that I like to order off. They have a bunch of stuff. You guys check them out, okay? I don't work for them or anything. I'm just a happy customer, okay? So thank you guys for watching. If you guys like my video, hit like, subscribe. Later.